Literature mapping tools are browser-based tools you can use to find many articles related to a good one that you have already found. They can be a great way to expand the number of relevant sources you have found, or assure yourself that you have found the most important sources. Let's look at an example of a literature mapping tool called Connected Pages. Suppose I am researching microplastics' impact on human health, and I have one article that is an excellent source, called A Detailed Review Study on Potential Effects of Microplastics and Additives of Concern on Human Health. If I enter the title of that paper, Connected Papers creates a graphic of the papers its algorithm determines are related to my source paper. The highlighted paper is my source paper. The other circles indicate related articles. The closer the circles are to my source paper, the more relevant they should be to my topic. For example, if I click on this one, I see the emergence of nanoplastic in the environment and possible impact on human health. Very relevant to my topic. If I click on one further away, I see resolving the effects of environmental, micro, and nanoplastics exposure in biota. The topic has diverged slightly, but some of these articles may still be relevant. The size of the circles indicate their impact. The larger the circle, the more times the article has been cited. You can hover over circles, look at their associated articles and abstracts, open interesting articles as a PDF when available, or search for interesting titles in our databases or via interlibrary loan. Different literature mapping tools work similarly, but some return different results. So try multiple tools to find the one you prefer.